Hey friends, it's Ashley and today I'm here to share a new layout for Citrus Twist kits. This is my last layout using the May kits, and then I'll be back starting in June on the 1st with layouts from the June kit. And for this, I'm using the May round trip add-on. I have been mixing that one some with the Crave mini kit, but this one is exclusively from the round trip add-on kit. And it has some Maggie Holmes in it. It also has some Pink Fresh Studio, 49 and Market. So I'm getting started with a full-size photo on one side, and then I just cut a piece of white cardstock for the background on the right-hand side. And I wanted to use these little tags and tickets from one of the ephemera packs. So I'm kind of just putting these in as they fit here on the background and just filling up that white cardstock with a mix of the tickets. The large memo piece at the top I thought would be great for journaling and just to also embellish. And before I get started on any of that embellishing and adding my title, I wanted to go ahead and get my holes punched. This is not going to be a bulky layout. Most of this is going to be flat with just a few things popped up with some pop dots. So now I'm going to start adding my title, and these are just letter stickers that are in the kit that are from Pink Fresh Studio, and they are kind of a teal color. And I wanted to do the title Bus Stop because this was when we went on our trip to DC, New York, and Philadelphia back in 2019. And we were waiting for the bus because we actually stayed in Secaucus on the New Jersey side and drove over on the bus to New York when we wanted to go in the city. And I really liked this photo. It was perfect with the travel collection. So I just kind of created a cluster at the bottom on the photo and added my title. These are actually from 49 and Market, and they're listed as washi tape stickers. They're basically just kind of transparent stickers, and I liked all of the different little phrases and icons, and this is the first time that I have used this pack since I've been using the kit this past month. And I wanted to just bring in some of that black because I like the graphic look of it. And I liked that the phrases were a different mix of fonts. And so I'm kind of just adding them in different places. I used two of the word phrases along that center area where I didn't have any kind of tickets close to one another. And then I can also layer some of the phrases over some of the other ephemera pieces. And I'm just using my little tweezers to get some of those off and get them in place. And like I said, it just kind of blends right into your background. It does have a little bit of a border around the darker part or the black part. You can kind of see it right there when I pull up. But it just goes away once you rub it onto your paper. It does almost have that feel of a rub-on when you put it on. So I did want to embellish where that journaling card is right there. So I did put the words right here, and I will add some journaling later and add another little embellishment right there beside that. So I did print my journaling on the vellum sticker paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that to that larger, I guess you would just call those tags from the pack. And then I had these cute little geotag circles from the ephemera also. And I wanted to pop those up just to have some dimension on the layout. So I added some pop dots behind those really quick. And I was glad it had two. So I had the black and the yellow. And in just a minute, you'll see I'm going to bring in some paper to fussy cut because I felt like since I had two of the circle shapes, I needed another. So this is just one of the pattern papers. And I think that was a Maggie Holmes pattern paper, I think. Now, I do add that right there above the title while I'm filming, but you probably saw in the beginning of the video, and you'll see again at the end of the video, I actually move that, and I make it the O in stop. I didn't like the placement of it. I felt like it was too close to the other yellow geotag on the other side. So I do adjust that off camera once I'm finished. But like I said, you can see that coming up at the end also. And now I'm just adding a few of these cute little puffy stickers to finish everything off and get the layout balanced. And once I get that done, that will pretty much finish up my layout here. If this is your first time to visit my channel, I would love for you to become a new subscriber. And if you liked today's video, please leave a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.